Hey, it's Corey from EMF Solutions, and I'm wearing sunglasses because it's very bright, so that's how I got to do it, so I'm not squinting into the camera. I needed to get this out. So this is, we're going to talk about the Armored Upgrade chip, how to install it, and what's the deal on this, okay? I cannot urge how important it is that every customer gets a full remediation with home harmonizers, booster boxes, and if you've ever bought from us before, you need to add this. If you bought from us since April 8th, 2026 or after, that's the 3300 series of the home harmonizers. I got two right here on my house. Then you don't have to worry about these chips. It's already built in. The technology is already there. But if you ever bought from us in 15 years prior to that date, I urge you, please don't go without putting this on your house. It's the most important thing we have ever introduced to the public as far as EMF remediation, okay? This is dire, it's vital. Please, please do it. We made it easy. You don't have to buy a whole new home harmonizer. We have an inexpensive way to convert it to the new one. Okay, so with that being said, how many do these need? Every home harmonizer or booster box on your house should have one. Every 2,500 square foot of a house should have one Armored Upgrade chip. Okay, and that's going to go for home harmonizers the same. Okay, so every 2,500 square foot should have one of these. Now, how do you install it? Really easy, really simple. There's almost no way to mess it up. So you could put it on your fuse box inside if your home harmonizer is there. You could put it on there anyway. I don't like it there as much. I prefer it if it's closer to the ground because you may be able to do more of your land, or actually your land plus the neighbor's land, remediated with this chip if it's closer to the ground. So we like it closer to the ground. You could literally put it in the ground right up against the pipe if you wanted to. Okay, if you have a pipe coming out of the ground, your electricity is underground. Okay, that's doable. But most people are going to opt to putting on top of their home harmonizer boxes. I would need two. I only have one here, but you're gonna put one on there, and the other one right next to it is just fine. They could go one on each or two on one. It really doesn't matter. You can jam it between the both. This technology is different than a lot of things. It's really hard to mess this up. Just get it on here somewhere against this metal or against your home harmonizer, and you're going to be good to go. Now, it comes with a double-sided sticky tape, and you can put that on here. Now, the one side says, do not remove. We highly advise putting that face up so that an electrician or somebody doesn't see it and hopefully swipe it, say, what is this, and throw it away. We also advise to put your name and property of your name and a phone number on your home harmonizers, because if any electrician sees that, they won't throw it away. Hopefully they either give it to you or leave it alone. Now, back to this. This side has a do not remove sticker. Face that up just for that reason we discussed. The other side has a sticker on it. We highly advise do not remove that sticker. It will not work as well. That's all I'm going to say. Okay? It will not work as well. We've had a lot of people testing that, and it's true. Now, this tape is real small, but it's very sticky. You can do any kind of tape. You can do duct tape. You can do any kind you want. But if you want to use this very sticky double-sided sticky tape, you might want to put it underneath of the sticker so that the sticker, it's not stuck to the sticker, which would make it come off too easily. And then voila, put it right on. I'm not going to do the sticker because mine are built in, but that's it. I can put it right on top of there, and voila, I'm done. Again, thank you for choosing EMF Solutions. You're in great hands, and this works wonderfully.